Alright, I'm about to walk through Door of Opportunity on the campus of Ole Miss. Where is this door, you say? Well, we are behind the Lyceum. And there is the library. Oh, no, I'm sorry. That's the library, where it says the library. Lovely house. There's Lewis Hall. This is the statue of James Meredith. And through there, again, you can barely see the football stadium to give you an idea of where we are. And we are on the other side of Lyceum Circle.